Gold and silver. So far for the day, traded in a narrow zone. We can see silver moving towards the higher lows from yesterday. It has moved close to 2660 before recovering strong and now trading at 2710 levels. And while gold has also moved lower below 2400 but failing to sustain towards the first resistance zone at 2394.96, we have seen a good recovery. What does this mean? Can we expect this bullishness to continue here in gold and silver, or there is a possibility of a reversal and a drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. Those who had watched the first update must have profited, where the sell call in gold was at 2404 and for silver at around $27 levels. So let's start. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Do press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. If you look at the formation in gold here, see the drop, retracement, bigger drop, retracement, and if you connect the dots here, the highs are towards 2420, 2422 zone for this channel, and it appears gold has it still got a little scope for it to rise here. Right now also, if you look at the formation after the drop, it is trading in this retracement channel. The highs are towards 2420 and see 2420, 2424 should be a greater resistance. I will not treat this as bullish reversal as long as 2440 is not taken on the upside for the day. As long as gold stays below this, we should not be treating this for a reversal. Also, if you look at the hourly chart, see it has got very good resistance here at around 2414-16 zone, which we have discussed earlier in the day as well. So at around these levels specifically, we have to be careful. And if it breaks beyond 2460, we can expect it to move towards 2420, 2424, and in fact it can move beyond 2430-32 zone as well. But right now it is not showing such momentum. It is trading, or you can say it is struggling on the upside strongly. See, also look at the formation. It If it drops below 2404, again we can see it dropping further and trading bearish as well. Yes, right now if you look at the formation, rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace here on the downside below. So the current position is going to be critical. Whichever direction it gives a breakout, the direction it will take for the near term here. The stochastic here is overbought. The MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. The RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to two on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see similar observation. First of all, the moving average is crossing over here, certainly sign of bearishness. What is happening here? It is getting resistance from the 20 period moving average. And yes, it is very important for gold to trade above this zone, first at around 2416 and then towards 2420-24 zone. This is going to be very critical for it to break past by in order to confirm any further rise. Yes, you can, if you look at the formation here, it is still trading in this channel here. The highs of this channel are towards 2430 levels, 2432 levels possibly. If it breaks out on the upside, it can try to retrace, but I will not say that it will reverse. Reversal is only about 2440 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD here after trading bearish, it has crossed over in just couple of candles away from the crossover. So possibly there is a possibility that it could continue with the rise here. Just it need to break beyond 2414-16 zone. RSI is staying flat, coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart. See, another way to look at it is look at the formation here. See, this could be a reversal sign, and yes, it has come with a bigger tail, suggests that the price has failed to stay bearish. Second thing is the resistance on the upside. So we have to wait for a breakout, because see, once it gives a breakout, it will definitely lend towards 2420-24 zone, and beyond that 2430-32 is also possible. Moving averages are almost convergent here and are on the verge of a crossover, so it could try to test these levels for once before. Even if it is bearish, it can try to test these levels. Stochastic near to top, look at the MACD. It is traded widely bearish, trying to converge here. A crossover is a confirmation of reversal. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is staying flat here. On the 4 hour charts, the observation is same. This candle is important, leaving a bigger tail here, and then we have seen it continuing with the bullish momentum in the preceding candle. And look at the formation. See, none of these closed above 2414-16 zone. So it is very important for gold to break beyond this zone, and then we can look forward to 2420-24 levels, and then 2430-32 is also possible. Look at the crossover here in the moving average. This is certainly sign of bearishness. On the 4 hour, see, another important observation on the 4 hour charts here is look at this couple of bullish candle retracement, then first bullish candle has appeared as a reversal sign, and I can expect that there could be a second follow-up candle from here which can take the prices a little higher, and yes, it could continue on the retracement path. Look at the formation here, the drop, and the retracement might continue here for a while before it takes a real direction. So possibly, as long as now 2400 levels are respected today, we have to be careful here on the downside specifically. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here, RSI is flat. Coming to and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, which is available worldwide, including India and other countries, and which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. It offers you a safer environment and easier transactions, easier withdrawals, and lot much to offer. Do find the link there. And now look at the daily charts. What is happening on the daily charts? The yesterday's candle was a bigger bearish candle. We have seen it swinging. We have seen also the body size is less than half of the complete move. What has happened today? It has already formed a tail. It could try to retrace a bit, and possibility for it to deliver lower highs as well. This is also possible because see what has happened since last couple of days. We have seen it delivering lower lows. Now it could try to retrace a bit, and maybe it can try to come back again towards the zone here at 24.1020 towards the end of the day to close at around these levels. Now on the daily chart, see this is almost a double top level which it is formed. And on the downside, now another way to look at it is on the downside, higher lows are getting delivered here. See this 2350, then 2360 zone around, and then now 2365 levels yesterday. So it is delivering higher lows, suggestive of that prices need to break strongly on the downside below 2350 in order to continue the bearish momentum. The stochastic has dropped. MACD has crossed over here. This is a bearish sign here, but it is a very little divergence, and the RSI is running flat. So looking at this for the day, I will again recommend you to only buy if you see it is staying above 2404, 2414, 2416 zone. That is the buying entry. But then also you have to be cautious for 2420, 2424 levels, the first resistance zone, and then 2430, 32 the next. Beyond that, it can try to retrace further on the upside towards 2440 for the day. As long as 2440 is not taken, we should not be treating gold as bullish. On the downside, a selling entry I will confirm is at around 2404, 2406 zone, rather I will say 2404 levels itself, and then it has to break below 2400. That is the first target. 2394.96 the second, and then 2384.87 the third. If it breaks below 2384.87, you can say now gold is turning bearish. Else it is still not bearish, it can bounce back. Take your trades accordingly. Let's have a look at silver. See silver on the hourly charts after the drop here, it is trading in this retracement channel. Where are the highs here for this channel? 2760, 2780 zone. What it is getting right now, it is getting a little resistance here. 2720, which was the support earlier, is now become the resistance. So it has to trade about 2720 for it to keep moving towards 2740 and 2760 levels, which are possible and feasible today itself. So as long as it stays above 2680, we should not be treating this as bearish. Possibly we can see a little rise, and it could continue to trade in this retracement channel before giving a breakout in the near future, maybe this week itself. The stochastic rising, good sign for the bulls. The MACD rising, RSI flat on the 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see the bearish candles are bigger in shape and size, and the retracement candles are smaller here. It has to give a stronger breakout here in order to keep moving towards 2740-60 zone. Thus, if you see it is staying above 2720, when you see the lower price above 2720, we can expect that silver will keep moving towards 2740-60 zone. Yes, it is trading in this retracement zone. In fact, 2780 or $28 levels are also possible. So till 2680, we should not be treating silver as bearish for now. Stochastic rising, MACD is also almost on the verge of a crossover. This could lead to a little retracement on the upside. See silver here, whenever it tries to hit this zone, it tries to bounce back. RSI flat coming to 3 on the 3 hour chart. See likewise similar formation here. Bearish, see you can see retracement candles, then couple of sharp bearish candles, higher lows are delivered, then modest greener candle has appeared. Now it has to break beyond 2720 levels in order to keep moving towards upside, that it can try to in fact move towards 2760, 2780 zone. Else what is happening, it is right now very much range bound. I will not say that it is bullish or bearish. You can see the formation or behavior of silver, drop retracement, and right now it is consolidating here in this zone. The stochastic comfortable, MACD extremely bearish, triple bottom is this, and possibly convergence, which means greener candle has to appear. which suggests that silver might show you a little rise here. RSI oversold coming to 4 hour. So looking at this, it appears that we may see a bounce back. Thus, I am keeping the selling entry a little far below. And in fact, even if it breaks 2680 levels, do not treat this as bearish till 2660, 2650 zone. Only bearishness in silver is if you see it trading below 2650. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, and RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to look at the daily charts. Higher lows are done, and it has shown a little swing. It can try to retrace further, and maybe it can try to limit itself in between the zone that is 2660 to 2780, 2760 zone. Possibly this could be the swing zone. It would like to confine itself within, and closing the day at around 2720. That is my expectation. Just so a little rise is still pending here in silver. The stochastic has dropped, the MACD is bearish, the RSI is at bottom. So looking at this, in fact, even if you see the lower prices above 27 20 should be the ideal entry actually. Beyond 2720 you can expect it to move towards 2740, 60. Very very good resistance there, and then 2775 will appear. Beyond that, $28 levels can be expected here. Yes, it could retrace. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is only below 2680, where 2660, 2650 is going to remain extremely important support zone. Only bearishness is if you see silver trading below 2650, where we can in fact expect it to move towards $26 levels. I think today is not going to be the day when it is going to attempt that. So take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. See you soon tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do not miss to watch that update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Join my signals channel. Join my mentorship batch. Connect with me over Telegram or email for your queries. Thank you.